Nature's garden. When walking through the garden, let solitude and silence become your guiding force. The earth knows you have been there as your footprints are etched in the soil. Springtime brings added beauty to the garden. A garden has much to offer, with the beauty of the ponds flowing with fish as the grass turns green and flowers bloom. This is a beautiful day to spend with nature as the sun shines brightly in the blue sky with a few white clouds overhead. Walking through the garden that has so much to offer gives a reason to respect nature and offer gratitude for this relaxing day.